happy today. Do you know why? Because we are going to do an artwork. I hope you like that. Let's not waste the time. Let's get started. I know what I can do. For our today's artwork, we need black sheet, 3 different shapes of triangle, and 1 golden circle. We are going to make an artwork from these shapes. Let's begin. Oops. I forgot we need a glue to stick these all funny shapes. Sun and a mountain. 3 mountains and 1 sun. Isn't it easy to make? You just have to cut triangles, one bigger, smaller, and then you have to stick the sun. I hope you will like it and try making your own. Thank you for watching my video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. See you. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye-bye. I love this picture. Bye.